right, so today is September 12th, 2024, and we just had the PPI report. I think it was the last one of the major for this week. Tomorrow we have University of Michigan also, but we just also had the jobless claim report. So initially we dropped, we're holding at the lows of that drop right now, bouncing now a little bit. And I was just late to my desk today, but yesterday we had a nice drop into the same area where we saw buyers a few days ago, and it was a pretty big drop, and then we started accumulating. Then we started one-time framing higher the whole session, leaving a bunch of single prints and squeezing shorts. You could see that shorts got really squeezed. A lot of people tried to short in this area, and you can see that because of all the single prints that we left. On ES, we left 1, 2, 3, let me see. We left 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of single prints. On NQ, we left 1, 2, 3, also 4 sets of single prints. So today we have to see if we're gonna clean up some of that structure, and repair some of the poor structure, or if we're gonna continue the rally and get back into the previous range up here, where we have the 20-day point of control at 56.38. We have the 20-day moving average that we need to get through before that, and this area below 5600, that's going to be some resistance, and we have a little bit of support here, 5560. But if we get below, inside the range and inside below this higher distribution, if you see, we put a little bit of volume at the end of the day up here. So if we get below the first set of single prints, then I'm expecting some down move to clean up some of the poor structure. And then if you look at the bigger picture, getting below that, below the overnight low, then the first target becomes 55.34, and then here at 55, between 55.08 and 55.12, we have some support. But if we hold above the highs, then I'm expecting more a continuation of that move, and above the overnight high, just a little bit more of a squeeze. Let's see. NQ. Same thing. Support at 19,230, and below that, then we start repairing some of that. So in this area, it's a little bit of there's gonna be a little bit of trouble to continue, but then below 19,080, then we can drop into this distribution and likely test this area where the weekly pivot is at 18,840. And then above it, we need to get through the 20 daily moving average, and above that, the target is up here at 19,475. Crude, yesterday I mentioned that we had found some support, some buyers, and I mentioned this. I moved back to this area, and we moved there now. We have the 5-day point of control that shifted down here, and then if these highs get taken and we are able to get about 69.20, then the target is here at 69.90. And gold, like I said the other day, failed to break below this distribution, and this range, and then went back to the other side of the range. It's now testing the upper part of the range. So we have to either look for a break that leaves single prints and then keeps moving higher, or a failure to break above and then back to the 25.46 point of control. We have some auctions today at 11:30. We have the 4-week bill auction, and at 1 p.m. we have the 30-year bond auction. The other thing I want to add is that after a short squeeze like this with so many single prints, it's not gonna be easy to move down, because everybody that was short that didn't cover their shorts are gonna try to cover on any down move. So it's gonna be one of those days where like the dips will be bought. So just be mindful of that. If we get a down move, look for areas to look for long setups, in my opinion. Unless, of course, we see some strong order flow and holding below 55.60 means that we're likely going to come back into the 55.34 area. All right, good luck, and I'll see you around.